see, there's like a pole that's down in there. I gotta slide that down. Oh, here we go. Slide off the handle, and then I get the handle out. So this handle was still working, just I got a new set from my friend Andy, and so because Andy got those, I want to make sure I put them in, because he did me right. It's time to put in the door handles, and I've already put one in on the other side, and I was able to do it by myself, so I'm going to try to do this one on the driver's side by myself as well. And I want to take a moment to say thank you to Andy Ligon for the door handles and for the tool to install the door handles. It means a lot to me that you were able to donate those things to my cause, and I really do appreciate it. With that being said, I'm going to put these door handles in, and I'm going to be sporting around with them. So the way I did is I took a towel, I stuck it across where the door closes so that it wouldn't latch, and that way I can get it back open. I stuck the handle through the door and put the rod through it, and I don't know exactly how you adjust that rod, but it kind of seemed to adjust itself on the other side, so hopefully it'll do the same thing on this side. I got both of the rivets in my hand, and I'm going to stick them on the door there. So I stuck both of them through on the other side, and that way it would kind of hold the handle sort of in place. And I saw that I had to lift the handle up on a little bit to get it in there. And now that it's in there and that rivet's in place, it should work. Alright, it should break any minute. Alright. There we go. Now let's do this other side. Alright. Now, check it out, see if it works. Alright. There, look at that. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I meant to mention, I put this tape on here before I put the handle on, because if you watch some videos, when that thing jumps, it'll scratch the paint. So put the tape there as an extra precaution. So let's see what we end up with. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I waxed all under there before I put it on, so now it can't be any cleaner than that. Look at that. Perfect.